For this assignment, what did the scientists say to the hydrogen atom that claimed to have lost an electron? You need to make sure you cross out the letters above each correct answer. Some are rounded. Notice they're rounded the nearest tenth. When you finish, write the remaining letters in the spaces at the bottom of the page. I'm just going to do a few examples. May make more than one video for these. Again, these are in your packet, so make sure you do these, take a picture and turn it into me at Remind, or you can upload it to Schoology or Google, whichever one's easiest for you. So the first thing is on number 2, I'm just doing an example. On number 2, if you notice, this shape's a triangle. So the first step is to write down the area formula for a triangle. So that's A equals 1/2 base times the height. Then you're going to look for your key. Your key is this right angle. And this right angle right here is going to come up, show you what the sides, what your base, the sides of that right angle are going to be your base. So label it with the base and the height. And now what you're going to do is you're going to substitute in your equation the base and the height. Then you're going to multiply it in your calculator and you should get 70.325. And then you're going to round that nearest tenth. That'd be 70.3 because number after the 3 is a 2. 2 is not 5 or above. So for those of you who have trouble with putting 1/2 in the calculator, that's 1 divided by 2. Make sure you put down the units down. It's square inches. Area is always square. So I don't know if you can see that or not. So now on 6, that's a trapezoid. So you have to write down your formula for a trapezoid. Your formula is 1/2 area of the base. The two bases added together, 1/2 times B1 plus B2 times the height. So then you're going to substitute. So we look at our drawing. When we look over here, again, here's the right angle. And here's the sides. However, this is a trapezoid, so we have to look at the parallel sides. That gives us 2 bases. So here's a base, and now we have our height. We have to substitute in 2 bases. That's why it says B1 plus B2. So it doesn't matter which order you go into. And you substitute. Then you put it in the calculator exactly as it's shown. 1/2, and then the parentheses, and you should get your answer. So I type that in, I get 3,198, and again the units, meters squared. If you take a look down at the bottom, you're supposed to X out your answers. So if I slide it over here, you can see that the first one is 70.3, so that's a LE, so I'm going to cross that off. And my second one's a 3198, which is right here. I'm going to cross this one off. Okay, so now I'm going to do one more. And that will be problem number 9. Notice there's 2 shapes here. The 2 shapes, you have your rectangle, and they're cut out a triangle. So I literally have to do it twice. So the area of the rectangle is length times the width. So the length is 36, the width is 18. And multiply those out. Then I have my triangle, and my triangle area equals 1/2 base times the height. Now there is no right angle here, but if you notice this is a rectangle, so if I kind of make my own right here, this would be 18, so that's your height. So I've got 36 is the base, and the height is 18. So I'm going to put this in the calculator and get both of them. So I get 648 up here. So I get 648 for my rectangle. And for my triangle, I have 324. So I need to subtract these. My rectangle minus my triangle that was cut away. I get 324, and that's square inches. That's right here, so I'm going to cross that out. Okay, one last thing. I'm going to have you do these on the bottom 12, 13, and the area of the base. Remember, all you're looking for is the area of the base of the prism. So that's the bottom shape. Notice I've traced that. It's a triangle, so you're going to find the area of the triangle at the bottom. That's it.